This literature kit on Chasing Vermeer by Blue Balliet includes an easy-to-understand answer key that makes this resource the perfect comprehension tool for any novel study. 55 pages chock full of before-you-read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Describe a series of coincidences that occur in the novel. Infer what Petra's father may be hiding based on his actions and what you would do in the character's shoes. Number the events that occur in Miss Hussey's class in the order that they happen in the chapter. Predict what Calder will do once he starts questioning Mrs. Sharpe's innocence. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as taking the book's theme of ancestry into the real world by writing a short fictional story about ancestors interacting with historical figures. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Name and describe the key locations in the book, and detail how the setting impacted the plot. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.